Wow, I just took a hard digger. Oh my. My camera, my gun, everything hit the ice hard. Wow. Oh my goodness. Well, the gun might be off. The camera might be broke. That's strapped to my backpack right now. Not good. If I miss, I know why. Alright guys, brand new spot. And it looks dynamite. Never called it, but the farmers said they've been hearing coyotes quite regularly. I got a nasty Tag Alder Creek out in front of me, and then off to the neighbors here is a thick, nasty pine plantation. We had a nasty winter storm just come through the last 20 hours. They should be bedded up in them pines for thermal covering to get out of this snow. I'm thinking we're going to draw something out of there, but it could come from anywhere in this bottom, so stay with me. We got about 20 minutes of light. I got high hopes. It's mid-February. Breeding season should be at pretty much peak breeding. Yeah, we should add some action. Hopefully something lights up, gives away their location. But if not, I ain't going to lose hope because we should get something to show up here. So here we go. Let's see what happens. Coyote. What the hell? 330 yards, baby. I spotted this coyote. I don't know exactly what happened, but I spotted him out there about 250, and he was already going away, so I think he might have crested the hill, and he might have got his eyes on me. Because he was going away. I got a perfect wind. But he was going the other way. I hit a pup distress. He didn't want nothing to do with it, so I dialed up 330 yards, and I held for a little bit of wind, and I hammered his ass. He dropped like a bag of rocks. I'm going to turn a few holes on. We're only about 13 minutes in. I'm going to turn a couple holes on and see if we can't get another to show up. Yes! God, that was awesome. Well, here he is. Oofta. Big old male here. Oh. Well, here he is, guys. Great big old male coyote. Oh my goodness, he's big. And I absolutely hammered him. I don't know if you guys can see that. Right there, right behind the shoulder. 330 yards this coyote was. I was sitting there, I was only at about the 10-minute mark of the stand, and this coyote, I caught a glimpse of him, and he was kind of skirting me. And I'm like, what is he doing? He wasn't coming to the call. He was kind of skirting. I don't know if he was trying to make a great big circle and get downwind or what, but I kind of went into panic mode, and I got the binos out in the range, and we had 330, and of course that CDS, die on that loophole. I dialed it right to 330, and yeah, hammered him, just dropped him right in his tracks. I was a little bit shocked, to say the least. I wasn't very steady. Pretty shaky. I didn't really have a rear support. My bipod was too tall, so my back elbow there was just free floating, and that crosshair was, going like this, and I just kind of timed it out and touched her off, and thankfully we hammered them. Broke the couple-week dry spell of daylight calling here, but I'll give you guys a little look here of where I was. I was clear over there, way up. You can see there's the call to the left, and my chair and my backpack right there against that woods. And he come out over here at an angle. Kind of like to follow his tracks here. Here's his tracks. He must have looked like he come up over that rise. So, if he'd have come right up over that hill, I'd have had a 200-yard shot. It would have popped up right on that rise here. But he may have seen the truck. My truck's parked in the cornfield. I didn't think they would, but he might have been high enough to see the truck, and he might have got a little boogery on me. But yeah, I don't know. So, self-filming, brand new spot. I had high hopes, and it worked out. So, fun hunt, beautiful. We just got this snow today. He's a pretty ratty, not very good color or fur, but I'll take it. Look at his teeth here, the ones. He's not a young coyote by no means, but I don't think he is some old ancient warrior either. But yeah, give you guys one last look at him here. There he is. This coyote hunting in the snow, there's nothing like it. I absolutely love it. So, alright guys, thanks for watching. Hopefully with this fresh snow in February here, we should have some good call in the next couple weeks. So stay tuned, and we'll catch you on the next one.